Hi, welcome to Games to Go for Online Tutors. This is a set of fun Koala Go whiteboard and playground games that you can play with your students anytime with any lesson. They're designed to help give you an opportunity to do fun practice of whatever you're teaching with your students. All these games can be used on the Koala whiteboard, or they can be turned into 3D games in the playground. So let me give you a tour. All right, the first slide just gives you some directions and information. And here's the first game, Confetti Stars. And I really like this one because it incorporates the playground rewards. So there's a work area over here, and let's say you're practicing spelling. You can give your student a word to spell, and after they spell it successfully, then they roll the die and take one of these cute little game pieces and move the number of spaces that they got on based on their roll. And then you go ahead and take a turn, and you can spell a word also, or just take a turn. If you or your student land on a confetti spot, you get to move one extra space, and then you can reward them with some confetti, making it a little extra fun. If one of you lands on a star spot, you can move 2 extra spaces and reward them with a star. And just continue practicing whatever you're practicing and taking turns together until somebody gets to the finish. Okay, let me show you some of the other board games. Here's one, Winner Winner Chicken Dinner, and this is super popular with my students. They just love this concept. And this is actually a very fast game, so if you're looking for a quickie game, this is the one you want to do. And there's cute little drumstick game pieces. Colorful clouds with weather-related game pieces. Color Me Happy with little emoji expression game pieces. And then we also have a 1-card bingo game, and there's directions for that, plus a Connect 4 in a row game and directions for that game. So they give you a lot of variety and fun ways to practice whatever you want to work on them with. Now, if you'd like, you can make these games 3D in the playground. Let me show you the one that's set up in this activity already. So you can see all I did was I copied the game board and then uploaded it to the playground, and I have a few little boards there for your practice activities. Just kept it simple so you can do whatever you want. And then your avatar becomes a game piece. And so you and your student can move spaces, and you can still roll the die and take turns and do the practice, but do it in a 3D environment. So I hope this gives you lots of ideas for fun ways to practice, and something that makes that more interesting and fun for both you and your student. Thank you.